don't want to get any more email notification from Instagram, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn it off. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump to my phone and let me show you how you can turn off email notification on Instagram. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Instagram app. Then you click on your picture at the bottom right, which is your profile. Click on the 3 lines on top. Okay, then you see the notifications. Click on notifications, and then you scroll to email notifications at other notification types. Just click on it, and then you can turn off feedback emails, reminder emails, product emails, news emails. I don't need feedback emails, promotional emails, support emails. Yeah, you might need it, so I just click it on. So that's how you can, turn off the email notification if you feel that there's too many. So yeah, you can just turn off accordingly at these settings. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.